Begin by gathering all necessary equipment and supplies, such as a fillet knife, cutting board, and a cleaning table or area. Rinse the fish with cold water and pat it dry with a paper towel. Lay the fish on its side on the cutting board, with the head facing away from you. Use the fillet knife to make a cut behind the gills, along the backbone of the fish. Cut through the flesh and bones, angling the knife towards the head of the fish. Continue cutting along the backbone, following the curve of the fish, until you reach the tail. Turn the fish over and repeat the process on the other side. You should now have 2 fillets. Use the fillet knife to remove any remaining bones from the fillets. You can do this by gently running the knife along the bones and cutting them away from the flesh. Rinse the fillets with cold water and pat them dry with a paper towel. Your fish is now ready to be cooked.